Anyway,
that was like the best party ever. Oh my gosh. Oh. Except for that one guy. That guy was weird. Oh my gosh. He like gives me the creeps. Oh my gosh.
Staring at
we have to walk all the way home. Speaking of the creeps. Okay, have you ever heard the story about the dude that used to be out here and he died okay, this might sound kind of scary, but I promise it's true. Okay, there used to be a guy out here and he used to live out here. Well, he ended up like barricading himself in his house and he didn't get any food, water, or anything, and he like, I don't know, something happened and he just died. And then before that, he had like killed a few other people. And so the cops were out looking for him. Well, one night he drank a little bit too much and I don't remember what all happened, but he ended up dying. So he was supposed to go to hell. But this is like really scary. Okay. Especially since it's like dark and stuff, like for real. But anyways, do you hear that? Okay. Anyways, I'm getting paranoid. He was supposed to go to hell. Well, instead of going to hell before he died, demons came. And they like got inside of his body and like trapped him. And he lives around here somewhere. And so there's demons like around here, and I'm really scared to walk out here by myself. Like, do you hear that? I'm like, is it weird that I'm scared that like one of the demons are gonna like come out and like, I feel like they're like following me or something?